Ever found yourself scrolling through GrabFood, mouth-watering for that pad thai, but then you hit the checkout and think, wait, can I just pay cash for this? It's a question many of us have silently asked, especially in those moments when our digital wallet feels a little light, or maybe you're just a cash-preferred kind of person. For years, Grabpay has been the go-to digital payment method for seamless transactions on the Grab platform. It's convenient, it's integrated, and it's practically synonymous with Grab itself. But the world of payments is constantly evolving, and so are our preferences. There are still plenty of scenarios where good old physical cash is king. Maybe you've just gotten paid in cash, or you're trying to stick to a budget by physically seeing your money dwindle. Perhaps you're helping out a family member who isn't tech-savvy, or you're just in a place where digital payments are a bit of a hassle. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you pay cash for Grabpay delivery? The simple answer, generally speaking, is no. Grabpay is designed as a cashless ecosystem. Its core functionality revolves around digital payments, whether it's through your Grabpay wallet balance, linked credit/debit cards, or other digital payment partners integrated within the app. The entire system is built for efficiency, security, and a seamless digital experience, from ordering to payment. This cashless approach helps streamline operations for Grab, its merchant partners, and even the riders, reducing the need for cash handling, reconciliation, and the associated risks. However, and this is where it gets interesting, Grab has, at various times and in specific regions, introduced or experimented with cash-on-delivery (COD) options for certain services. These instances are typically driven by market-specific needs, user feedback, or strategic initiatives to broaden accessibility. For example, in some areas, particularly in emerging markets where digital payment adoption might be lower, Grab might offer COD as a way to onboard more users and cater to local payment preferences. These options aren't universally available across all Grab services or all regions, and they can be subject to change based on Grab's policies and market conditions. The best way to determine if cash payment is an option for your GrabFood or Grab Express delivery is to check directly within the app when you're placing an order. As you proceed to the payment screen, you'll see the available payment methods. If cash on delivery is an option for your specific order and location, it will be clearly listed there alongside Grabpay wallet, credit cards, and other digital alternatives. If you don't see it, then it's highly likely that cash payment is not supported for that particular transaction. It's also worth noting that even when COD is available, there might be limitations. These could include maximum order values, specific delivery zones, or even a different set of terms and conditions compared to digital payments. For instance, riders might not always carry exact change, which could lead to minor inconveniences. Ultimately, while Grab's primary focus remains on its robust cashless Grabpay system, the company does occasionally adapt to local market needs by offering alternative payment methods like cash on delivery. But it's not the default, and it's not always an option. Always double-check your Grab app for the most accurate and up-to-date information on available payment methods in your area. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.